Alright guys, Saturday. Let's get to it, right? Here's the lift kit, the new lift kit for the 24-25 Ranger. These steering knuckles gotta weigh, what, 40 pounds each, at least. Yeah, so how much is this gonna add to the weight of the truck? All this stuff all adds up quick. There's my tires right here. Gotta get some wheels, but for right now, let's put the kit on. I started at 11 o'clock. It's been like a crazy windy day, and I had this area all cleaned up, and like the leaves are all over this morning, and it's like, oh well, start all over. So I'm just doing the teardown right now. I'm as far as ready to disconnect the upper knuckle there. Axles are busted loose already. These were bare. They must have Loctite on them or something. This one busted loose pretty easy, but it was tough going all the way off. With the impact, I had to change batteries. I just do it by hand, and that was a workout. Brake calipers, just hang them on the side there. I think the brake line's definitely got to be made longer, but for right now, it comes with brackets to lower the brake lines. But eventually, like a Colorado, I'll put longer brake lines on it. So tie rod's loose, brake calipers off, rotors off, the nuts loose, axles punched in, busted loose. So I gotta take this off, lower it, what else, unbolt the bottom. Yeah, the whole knuckle's gonna come off. Then you have to swap parts, the shield here, the dirt shield, the hub assembly. There's some other brackets that go on here that attach to this brake line, and sway bar bracket right here. I may delete the sway bar, we'll see. This truck's a little different than the last two, but personally I don't like the sway bar for off-road. So on the other side, that axle nut was a bear. I couldn't even bust it, not even with a cheater bar. I got a big piece of pipe on there, you know. I actually had to heat the nut up and finally crack it, and still it was a bear. Slow turns all the way off, even with a little WD-40. That's off. I even double checked. I go, maybe it's got a right hand, left hand thing, you know, on this nut, but nope. They're all standard thread. What's that, right hand? So this axle's done. So take the steering knuckle off. Then we gotta do the cross members. Oh, and that's gonna take some cutting. For right now, that's where we're at. It's about 12:30. I haven't had breakfast. I just had a cup of coffee, and I go, let's go to it before it gets any later. I got up late because, man, it was, I could hear the wind blowing all night. Yeah, so all these leaves, I cleaned this whole area out the other day, hosed it down, I was ready to go. And this morning, it's a mess. This is all flower from these avocado trees, which I gotta cut pretty soon. They're starting to get into the wires back here. It's like, they're a mess anyway. I don't like fruit trees. They just drop too much. They're too much work. But that's where we're at. Let's see how this goes. Let's see if I can at least finish the front today. I'm trying not to get too crazy, you know. Don't get all worked up. Just take it as it is. Do a little at a time. Take a break right now. Make myself something to eat. Have some water. It is nice and warm out here. But, oh well.